What's up, guys? It's Michael here from MTech with a review of the MK6D battery grip. Here it is from Meike for the Canon EOS 6D. This is obviously a third-party manufacturer, not the actual BGE13, I believe, battery grip from Canon that Canon makes. Now the thing is this cost me on Amazon around $45. Whereas if you were to get the genuine BGE13 battery grip on Amazon, it's around $210. So I'm saving over $150, $160 by going with the third-party manufacturer. And so the feel of it feels just like any other battery grip. Feels fine in the hand. The grip almost, I describe it as it feels warmer. Not like temperature, but like, it's almost sticky. It's not sticky, but it's like grippier, I'd say, than the rubber on my 6D. And then I actually think that this Meike also sells 60D, the battery grips, and I think since the 6D and the 60D, the bodies are very similar, that these were actually formerly 60D battery grips. But then once the 60 came out, they got repurposed to be 60 battery grips also, because it still has blue markings on it from the 60D, which don't mean anything here on the 6D. Alright, next, the overall build quality is, it's pretty good. Plastic feeling is almost feels like the kind of plastic that you would find on the Rebel series cameras, like an SL1 or a T3i. It feels like that kind of plastic. It's not like the posh plastic that you find on the 60. So, -1 on the plastic, but as long as you don't drop it, you shouldn't have any problems. The shutter button definitely has a little bit more of a click to it, if you can hear that, than the 60 does. It has an extra scroll wheel in the shutter button, obviously for vertical shooting. And then you have your autofocus lock button and your other buttons here. To turn it, you can actually turn the functions of the battery grip on and off using this on and off switch right here. I don't know why you want to just have it on all the time. I don't know, it probably saves a little bit of battery. Or if you don't want to accidentally be bumping these buttons, but no big problem there. When you lock it in, when you screw it onto the 6D, it'll actually, you'll take the battery door off the 6D, and you'll slide the battery grip up into it, and then you'll turn this little gearbox here, and it'll screw. This is actually turning the thread here, and it'll screw it into the bottom of your 6D, and should be pretty solid in there. It'll have a little bit of wiggle, but it'll be fully attached, and I have no worries about it. I actually used this exact battery grip at a wedding, and it absolutely no problem. Had my Black Rapid strap attached to the bottom plate, no problems at all. It's up to the standards of the actual genuine BGE13 battery grip from Canon. Had absolutely no problems with that at all. Was completely comfortable screwing it in, the Black Rapid strap onto the bottom. Didn't fall or anything, no problem. Okay, so then it comes with 2 trays. You can use this tray and put 2 LPE6 batteries into it, and that's the option that I chose to do at the wedding. And afterwards, I looked at it and I looked at my battery percentages, and I was at around 50-60% on each battery. I only used 80% of a charge of an LPE6 battery during the entire wedding, from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. So, you're going to have tons of shots, and I took 1,100 shots that day. And so, using the 2 batteries, 2 LPE6 batteries, is going to give you a lot of shots, and you shouldn't have any problems with that. But if you do, which is a cool feature, or a cool add-in on the battery grip, the Canon one also comes with this. It comes with a 6 AA battery tray that goes in just the same way, except for it takes 6 AA batteries. That's a nice feature because I like to have that because let's say I was at the wedding and I did run out of battery power, I can bring cheap AA batteries along with me as an absolute backup. I wouldn't recommend using it as a full-time solution, just completely using AA batteries, but I mean, it is an option. I used the LP6 batteries and had no problem, and actually didn't need to end up using it, but it was a nice peace of mind knowing that I had extra battery power. When you take the battery door off your Canon 6D, what you can do is you can put the battery door, and it actually has a little hook where you can attach it right there, so you can store it inside your 6D while you're using it, so that way you're not worrying about losing it and putting it in a safe place in your bag, no problem. So that's a nice feature. I don't think I can think of anything else right now. Thank you guys for watching this review. I would highly recommend this battery grip for any of you guys in the market for a battery grip for your Canon 6D. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. This has been Michael from MTech. Bye.